Hi, this is Mthokozi Nkosi. I just want to share this story with you on something that happened over the weekend. So this other day, I was just taking a walk at Lokshini, and then I think I was on my way to buy something as Spaza. And then I saw this girl calling me, greeting me and calling me. And then ekasi vele mabona amantombazane, you think ukuthi no, she's not calling me, maybe she's calling the guy behind me because someone had just passed me. So I ended up stopping, and then I ended up pointing to myself, which ubiza mina. Then this girl confirmed ukuthi ubiza mina vele, and she was a bit tipsy. And then she said to me, I know you, I have your book, you are the author, the motivational speaker guy, the motivator. That's what she calls me, that's what they call me, ekas, the motivator guy, the motivation guy. Then she says, you gave me your book, and I was reading your book last week. It's I don't remember giving you a book. Where did we meet? Then she says, you gave my sister your book, a copy of your book, and then I ended up reading that book over the week, and it had so much impact on me. And there are these questions that you ask at the end of each chapter, and she was talking about this book, Inspiration to Thrive and Succeed. So she says, while answering those questions, she started realizing ukuthi how depressed she was, and she started thinking about her traumas and the things that happened in her life. And she said something amazing. Atigimi, every time I answer these questions, I feel like uyangizwa wena, I feel like you can hear me. And sometimes ngigcina sengisaba noku-answera lama question lawo, because I feel like the person who wrote this book can hear me. It's like I'm pouring my heart out, I'm telling you my personal life story and stuff. And then I tell her ukuthi no, the reason why I included those questions at the end of each chapter, it's for that reason. Ukuthi at least now you start reflecting on your own life and you start asking yourself these questions and you write down these answers, because as you write down these answers, iyangena kuwe and you end up learning something. And like you say now, ukuthi the book had an impact in your life and usazoyifunda awukayiqedi. It's for you. I wrote the book for you at the end of the day, so that you can benefit. As they always say, if you want to get what you want, help enough people get what they want, and eventually now you'll be blessed. So that really inspired me. And then she asked me a question, athi wenza kanjani maramtho, how do you do it? Ngithi ngenza kanjani ini? Athi how do you write a book nje uhlale kanjalo nje and decide ukuthi I'm going to write a book? Yazi nami one day I want to share my personal life story, but I don't know where to start. And then angibuza ukuthi how do you start a book nje uhlale phansi and say I'm writing a book? And then I told her something that I was listening to on an audiobook by Robin Sharma, where he says, how do you start a book? You write the first page, then tomorrow you write the next, and on the third day you write the third, and then you keep going until the book is finished. So what I'm trying to say to you today, ukuthi asiyekeleni ukuzibuza. Let us stop asking ourselves too many questions about the things that we want in our lives. Stop asking yourself questions and just start. Stop telling people about your dream, about what you want to do and what you want to change in your life. The best way to start is to start. Once waqala, I'm telling you, you will see your life will begin to change. You will start noticing a shift within yourself. So the message today is simple, guys. The best way to change your life, the best way to make your dreams a reality, is to just start today. And remember, anything that you want to do or want to change in your life starts with you working on yourself. Like that sister who said she was reading this book and she started answering the questions inside this book after each chapter, the action exercises, and it had an impact in her life. And I told her, "Guti, no, man, and nothing is impossible for you to do. Whatever you want to do, stop complaining. Yes, sonke sikhule sihlupheka, sonke sikhulele kuma environment esingathandi ukuzibona kuwo, but in order for you to change your life, in order for you to change your life, family yako, you have to start with changing yourself. And the best way to start is to start. Today, this moment is what you have, because what you decide today, as I always say, will create your future."